In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run giveaways on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a purchase for a chance to win style campaign using the Social Boost app and how to get it live on your store. First, log into your Shopify admin account. This is your main dashboard where you manage products, orders, and apps. At the top, click into the search bar and type apps. From the apps area, search for Social Boost. You're looking for the app called Social Boost by AppsMav. Once you find it, install the app and follow the on-screen installation prompts. When the installation is complete, open the app. Note that Social Boost doesn't run inside the Shopify admin. It opens in its own separate website. On the Social Boost site, click Create Campaign. A pop-up will appear. Choose View Templates. Then under the Increase Sales section, click View Templates again. Look for the template called Purchase for a Chance to Win and click Create on that template card. This will load a pre-built giveaway structure so you don't have to start from scratch. Now it's time to edit your giveaway. Start by changing the campaign name to something clear and simple. Then update the campaign description. This shows up under the campaign name on the giveaway pop-up. For example, if you type $100 gift card, it will display as Purchase for a Chance to Win $100 gift card on your site. Set your campaign start and end dates. If you're not sure about the end date yet, you can choose to decide that later. Make sure you select the correct time zone so your giveaway starts and stops at the right time for your audience. Add links or text for your terms and conditions and privacy policy, since these are important for transparency and compliance. Click Save, then move on by clicking Next Prize. Click Add Prize. Here, name your prize, add a short description, choose the prize type such as Grand Prize, Daily, Weekly, or Monthly Prize. Set the quantity you're giving away and upload a prize image. When you're done, click Save again, then select Next Reward Setup. In the reward setup, you'll define how customers earn entries. You can reward bonus entries based on cart value or the number of transactions. For example, you might give a certain number of entries for every specific amount spent, and you can also set a minimum spend to qualify. Click Save, then choose Next Layout and Preview. Here you can customize the look and feel. Click Change Theme and select a layout. You can filter designs by event, like Halloween, Christmas, Diwali, Thanksgiving, or use a more general pattern. Choose your primary and secondary colors, pick a button color, and select your primary and secondary fonts. On the right, you'll see a live preview for both desktop and mobile, so you can check everything looks good. You can also edit the button text that appears before and after customers log in, as well as the thank you message they see once they've entered. When you're happy with everything, click Save, then click Complete. A pop-up in the upper right will ask if you want to publish later or publish now. Choose Publish Now. To finish connecting it to your store, go back to your Shopify admin, open your online store editor, click on App Embeds, find Social Boost, toggle it on, and then save your changes. Once that's done, visit your live website. You should see a giveaway tag on the left side of the screen. Click it to open, view, and test your giveaway to make sure everything is working the way you want before promoting it to your customers.